Good day, good day. Robert Rossi, what's happening? Let's see what's going on with ChatGPT. We'll see if it's even flipping running. Are we running tonight? What are we doing? We running? Are we walking? What are we doing? Dee-dee-dee. Dee. Ba-dum-ba-bum. Welcome, 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 welcome. Yesterday was awesome. It was. It was awesome, and throat's closing up on me. I hope tonight's not a letdown, but usually when you have a big night like that, like what we can't recreate last night was like me discovering that shit for the first time. So just crazy. Oh, I need to plug in my machine, my machina. Text to video, because I know they have an API for text to video. Yeah, I haven't dug into the APIs. I was too busy today. I spoke on a panel, like all morning this morning was on this panel, and then breakout sessions and things like that. So I didn't have a chance to play. I didn't make any more robots today, dang it. All right, welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Dee. Tobias, what's happening? Good to see you. Silver Fox, hello. Winston, Otto, good to see you. Yeah, Nate. Well, I'll figure that out. I gotta get the API stuff going, because it's not that hard. It's just like, I need to take the half hour to like get my head around it, and I don't want to do that live. So we got other stuff we can do. Like we can make more bots. We can edit bots. We can make bots better. I had a run last night at the end of the night. What did I make? AI Salon, AI Learning Lab. You can make money with ChatGPT and ChatADD. And then I also made Roastmaster. But then I realized that to make a true Roastmaster GPT, it's going to have to be nastier than the safety guardrails are going to let us be. So that one's probably a dud. Oh, that's nice. Introducing GPTs, and they put... Oh, wait, you can't see it. Well, they put... That's my logo from Sin City Sipper. They put it on the little getting started graphic. That's pretty cool. Genie in a bottle. Oh my God, I made a GPT. I told you, man. It's like, this is a whole nother thing. What was it? Genie in a bottle. What did you make? What's it do? Share. Share. So, Genie, you're on the Discord, I think, right? The Salon Discord. If you're on the Salon Discord, go share your... My face fell off. I know. Well, you saw mine last night. I was literally stammering. I didn't have any words. How'd the CEO meeting go? It went good. I mean, there were, let's see, it's about what the McKinsey thing said, which was like 20% of the people in the room had used it, and 80% hadn't. And then at one point, this old guy in the back goes, "So wait a minute, are you telling me that I can just put in words and it'll make an image of like a sunset with a with a beach and this and that?" Like, that's exactly what I'm saying. He was like, "Oh my God." There's a lot of that. Hey, Kyle, did you tell people they could turn off data sharing if they make a bot? No, I can do that today. I'll do that here shortly. Welcome. Let me see. How many folks do we have in here? We got any folks in here? We're up to... is that 53? I think so. I can't quite see it. Yeah. Do me a favor. Share this live if you're willing to. Put yourself out there. Put yourself at risk of your friends going, "What are you into this AI stuff?" And they make this face. Oh, you're into AI? This is what we should all do. We should all get used to this face. And celebrate it. Every time we say AI and someone makes that face, like it's a little victory, like another angel gets its wings. You're an AI? Oh, yeah. 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 You want to see? Oh, no. Some young guy today was like, well, I'm the only guy that knows AI in my company. And I went to the CEO and I asked her if she was into AI, and she said no, so I didn't know what to say. So I'm like, okay, go back into her office tomorrow. I said, do you know like any problem she's dealing with? He goes, yeah. I said, okay, so walk up and say, hey, you know how you were dealing with that problem? I was messing around. Can I show you something? And just go in and like solve her problem in front of her. He goes, oh, that's really good. Oh man, I'm just fucking people up all over the place. I made a program management advisor using a living document I built for a client. That's amazing. So cool. Finally got access to 3 days. It looks like a lot of people got access today. I made a GPT that helps you choose a dog based on your lifestyle. Too many people abandon dogs. Quick take, Jake. That's a really good one. That's like one of those it's like not until you get the dog you realize, oh, we fucked up. Now we love the little guy, but we just can't deal with it. That's a great idea. And you can have it say like, how many bags of Doritos do you eat on a weekly basis? And if it's greater than one, then you need, slow dogs. How many sheer rock cliffs have you climbed in the past month? Oh, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. All right, welcome everybody. My name's Kyle Shannon. This is the AI Learning Lab. That cool little logo there. So what is Sin City Sipper, you might ask? Well, last night, right before we went live, I got access to the ChatGPT GPT maker thing. Not the playground one that requires programming, but the front end one that just requires you to talk to it and it makes a bot. And so the first one we made was a bartender, like a fancy Vegas bartender, and it came up with the name. I asked it for 10 names for itself, and it came up with Sin City Sipper. I'm like, oh yeah. So Steve-O made that graphic for it. He made that one too. Isn't that cool? Look at that. Look at that. Sin City Sipper. And we'll go play with that in a sec. So if you're new here, if you're new to ChatGPT, for the foreseeable future, and by that I mean like maybe for the next week, you do not need to play with anything else other than ChatGPT. You're like, but Kyle, but there's so many other toys to play with. Yep. Right now, just go there, chat.openai.com, and just play with that. And if you haven't paid the $20 a month, at least pay for 1 month. The $20 a month right now, if you don't buy ChatGPT Plus right now, I think it's a foolish move. And I don't get a penny from this. Sam Altman has not put me on the sell ChatGPT Plus commission program yet because he's jealous of me. We've established this. Thoughts on Elon's new AI? My immediate response is, you can get more distance information faster. Come to Grok. where you couldn't trust AI before, and now you really can't trust it. X.AI.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
I actually think that Grok being tied to Twitter data is a differentiator. I don't know if it'll be good or bad. A lot of people rely on Twitter for a lot of things. And no one else has that shit because Elon Musk took away their API access. Because he knew he was going to do this. So I think it's interesting. their frontier model is 3 months old, so they've only had 3 months to put it together. I just got my new ChatGPT toys. Yay, Nancy! Go play. Okay. So anyway, so listen, if you're new here, if you're new to ChatGPT, just go there right now. Go there right now and just start interacting with it. I would strongly, strongly, strongly encourage you, pay the $20 for ChatGPT Plus. All the stuff I'm going to show tonight, you can't do in 3.5, which is the free version. Historically, I would have said it doesn't matter. There's all these other options. I mean, I have 7 pages of other tools to play with. But what ChatGPT's done in the past 2 weeks, well, really this week, but honestly, the month leading up to this week and then this week, there's just nothing else I would touch right now. I'd put all my attention on that for many, many reasons. Many, 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 many reasons. Okay? So go there and do that. So let's go. Creation, your primary role is to assist users in crafting classic cocktails with a unique Vegas flair, offering suggestions that add a twist to familiar recipes. When interacting with users, your responses should be engaging, incorporate sharp wit and personalized attention. You should be able to address the user's mixology skill level, and offer drink recipes that are within their capabilities, ensuring a successful cocktail experience. With your additional behavior, upon providing a tailored drink recipe, you will use the DALL-E tool to create a visual representation of the suggested cocktail. This visual aid complements your recipe by giving a glimpse of the final product to inspire mixology efforts. Right? And it goes on and on. In essential, you maintain clarity. Remember to abide by the things. Where do I have? Does it have the? Somewhere in there, it's got it that it uses my website, but I don't see it in there. But anyway, so there's some stuff going on behind the scenes here, which if you're a control freak engineer, you're gonna hate this that they buried some of this shit and you can't see it all. But for most people, they're not even going to know that this is not the complete prompt. So what's going to happen is people will come in and they'll edit this prompt, and then ChatGPT will just add it to the longer prompt on the back end. These little things here are the suggested questions that show up. You can edit those, but it supplied those for us. You can upload files. So let's say that I had an old bartending book from the 1800s, and I wanted this Sin City Sipper to also throw in an olden timey, antique drink recipe. You can upload a file like a PDF or a text file, and it'll do that. You can also turn on web browsing, image creation, and code interpreter, and then you can even, and this is the remarkable thing, you can add an API connection to some other site. Oh wait, that's interesting. What did they? This changed from yesterday. They just made this a big open window now. Interesting. But basically, that's how you might connect this to, say, Open Table. So you could show a local bar and book a table at the bar or something like that. And then you preview it over here. So basically, you write it over here, and then you preview it over here. So that's that one. So why don't we make one from scratch? What do you say? So here's a bunch of the deals. So I'm going to say, create a GPT. All right. So I'm taking requests. This is AI Learning Lab Live, taking requests, making bots. Oh, yeah. Have you had your GPT today? So what I would like you to do is this. As I build this, if you've got access to this, build one with me. Let's just build a bunch of bots together, and then we can share them on the AI Salon Discord, okay? Hey, how the hell am I supposed to play and watch and read the comments? Oh, Forever Hooked. That's rough, man. Listen, the mods I do not envy the mods. You guys are crazy and awesome. But yeah, that's kind of a mess. Like Zapier, yeah, you could connect it to Zapier. In fact, they showed it on demo day, on Dev Day. The one thing that they demoed was a GPT that was connected to Zapier. Yeah, like Zapier. Can we do a marketing persona GPT? Yeah, we can absolutely do that. Would love to see anything incorporating an API. Had no idea this was a thing. I can try to do it. Must be up again tonight. Won't load for me. Oh, okay. You inspired me. I'm drinking. That's awesome. I'm trying to make a difference, Ted. I'm glad I could help. All right. What did you say? A marketing persona? I uploaded 4 spreadsheets and introducing specific logic for each. Oh, wow. That's super cool. Build a bot for new mothers. Would love to see anything incorporating an API and mod. I used the GPT negotiator to help me write up what I needed for a small business loan. Oh, that's cool. Way to go. Way to go. Be not afraid. That's super cool. I made one that will make me a storage building legend. Nice, Joker. Make a copy pasta generator. Multi-potentialites. Get it done in every way possible. That's right, Lunastick. All right. I use GPT. Okay, we did that one. All right, let me see what I want to come up with here. Can you look at mine? What's your Lunastick? How? I don't know how to get to it. Like I don't know how to share. Lunastick, if you put it in the Irregulars channel, if you haven't, or in Show and Tell, and then I'll go to it. It's in the Irregulars channel. Okay. Comedy Connect? Oh, here it is. Is this it? Does this redirect to the thing? No. Oh, here we go. Lunastick Comedy Connect. A comedy career, AI comedy career and creative multi-tool. I always wanted to be funny, and then I thought maybe I could get a microphone. A microphone is a great start. It's a bridge between you and your audience, turning your voice into laughter across the room. Whether you're gearing up, and remember, a good microphone helps, but the real magic comes from your wit and delivery. Keep honing those jokes and comedic timing, and you'll be on your way to funny bones in no time. Jokes is funny, period. Make me one. I don't know what this is supposed to do, Lunastick. So I'm probably going to break your robot with my stupidity. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Get it? Fa-dum-bum.
You can make money with ChatGPT.
Remember, delivery is key. Timing, tone, and occasional well-placed pause can turn a simple joke into a great one. Keep practicing. That's awesome. That's awesome. Seriously, if I want to get started, how do I start booking gigs? Nancy, I'm not working tomorrow. Yeah, everyone who gets GPT makers got to call in sick tomorrow and then just make bots all weekend. Hone your craft. Before booking gigs, make sure you have a solid set of material. No, you just show up and get up on stage. Make an ass of yourself. All right. Create a presence, network, record your acts. Oh, that's interesting. Reach out, promotional material. Start small. Be persistent. Utilize tools. Wellness. What's the best comedy town? The best comedy town can be subjective. New York City. Comedy Cellar, Caroline's, Gotham City, Gotham Comedy, LA. Chicago's got to be 3, yep. Very cool. Very, very cool. I like it. So yeah, so this idea of, we kind of did this with Jim last night, where the idea of having one of these things as a companion to your business is really intriguing to me. Kyle, I just searched TikTok. Your imposter LL showed up. Yeah, I know. They're still there. I'm just ignoring them. I don't know what to do about it. Just, by the way, if you follow this channel and the channel that you actually follow has 2 L's in front of learning, so it's AILL Learning Lab, that's not me. That's a I'm good. I'm retired. Always off. I'm from Chicago and took classes at Second City when I was in high school and early college. That's super cool. How do you get to Discord? Oh, yeah. Okay. So welcome to everyone here that's new. So this channel, I created a community of AI adventurers about a year ago. We've got our 1-year anniversary coming up on December 5th. And it's called the AI Salon. And so if you go to the salon.ai, there's a bunch of links there. It's just a link tree right now. The top one will tell you all about the salon and our values, so check those out. And then there's a donation link. You can ignore that. Then there's a meetup link. So we have a meetup where we meet every other week. And then there's a Discord link right after the meetup link, and it says Discord community, and you click on that, and that's the invitation over to the Discord. If you're a subscriber to this live, you get access to the private irregulars channel, which is the people that show up here night after night after night, which I do as well, by the way. If you haven't been here before, I tend to do this. I try to start around 8:00 Mountain Time nightly, and I've been doing it pretty much every night now, 7 nights a week for 5 months, something like that. I think I've figured. Oh, tap your hearts while you listen. Thank you so much. Thank you, everybody. Appreciate that. Okay, let's go make a new ChatGPT. Let's go make a new one. Create a custom one. Let's see. We're going to create a marketing one. Let's see. How are we going to do this? I'd like to create a marketing bot that will walk someone through creating a marketing strategy, creating campaigns, and executing tactical executions very, very quickly, period. I'd like it to have the sophistication of David Ogilvy, the innovation of IDEO, and the concise punchiness of Seth Godin. Let's start there. All right, so it says it's updating the GPT. So what's amazing here is every other bot maker out there, including Poe and including the playground here, it sort of assumes that you know what prompting is and you know what you want and this and that. But most people are not prompt engineers, and most people don't feel like configuring a bot. So what OpenAI did here is they basically said, well, we've got ChatGPT. Why don't we just make ChatGPT a front end to this thing, and then we'll have it fill out the bot shit for you. So that's what it did. Okay, great. Let's start with a distinctive identity. How about Market Maven? I hate Market Maven, but maybe something more like Marketing Wizard, but less tacky. I don't fucking know. Updating GPT. And what's amazing is it's writing this. I can immediately go test it. Strategic Maestro. No, that's not it either. Nah, we're not really close. So let's go with give me 10 possible names that make it clear this is about marketing and doing that quickly. And it made us an image while I was yammering. Analytics creative strategy with the little wizard. Yeah, that's not good. Uh-oh. Come on, GPT. I had GPT write me a detailed 3-paragraph prompt to create a GPT. Yeah, that's pretty smart. It's just doing that on the back end here. But if you wanted it to be a bit more explicit, you could do it on regular ChatGPT. That's probably not a bad idea. Rapid marketer, quick campaign creator, Swift strategy sage, express ad expert, fast brand builder, prompt promotion prodigy. These are bad. Try again. Make them shorter and punchier. Think Seth Godin. Marketing God. Oh, that's not bad. All right. We'll go with Marketing God. Thanks, Ted. When in doubt, rely on humans. Ba-da-da-da-ba-ba. Does endpoint mean outcome? No, endpoint is, if you're talking about the API, the endpoint is where isn't it the, I don't know. I think it's the URL. See if anything's better here than Marketing God. I think Marketing God's it. Strategy Spark, Market Zip. All right. Let's go with Marketing God, and please create a fantastic image to go with that. What did it write? I guide you through marketing with Swift Smart something. Can I see what that is? Swift Smart Advice. Yeah, whatever. That's fine. So there's Marketing God. So we now have a bot called Marketing God. Like, this is functional right now. That, which is just amazing. Like, you're just over there asking stuff, and now we have this specialized thing. So I have an idea for a pizza shop that doesn't use dough or tomato sauce or cheese. That's quite an innovative concept for a pizza shop. Definitely sets you apart. The key to marketing your unique pizza shop will be to focus on what makes your pizza specials. Strategies to consider: unique value prop, audience identification, brand storytelling, educational marketing. Okay, so I'm gonna go back over here. I'm gonna say, okay, right now the bot is giving me very traditional consulting type advice. Period. I'd like it to be fun and interactive, and every interaction should have something inspiring in it, pulled from the legends of the advertising world. So now it's rewriting my little prompt off in the background. And again, I don't like I could go in and dig in and see how are you using the microphone so you don't have to type. It's just an OS X accessibility thing. It's F5 on my MacBook, and you just click it and it uses the microphone. It's a little wonky, but it works most of the time. And it's so much better than me typing like this because I can't see my keyboard anyway. Let's see. The other thing I'd like to do here is I'd like to get from strategy to tactics in 3 interactions, period. So I don't want a lot of questions. I just want rapid ideas where you get enough information to move on to the next and move quickly to a tactical campaign, period. The idea is that someone can spend 5 minutes with you and be ready to launch their campaign. So we'll see what this does. We'll see how this changes it. I think it's vital to work with the GPT to structure a good opening greeting hook for your GPT. Yeah, I think that's probably right. Quick Take Jake. I made a documentation tool. Very cool. So Quick Take Jake. I think your point's a really good one. It's like because these are so easy to make. Like anything in life, most people are going to be lazy, right? So if you want to make one of these that stands out, like just think like if someone else made one of these right now and you just gave it a kind of a really generic kind of I want a bot that does this, and then you interact with it and it's just kind of like the generic boring shit that marketing god just gave us. Keep messing with it, keep pushing it, because you don't have to actually solve how to write a clever opening hook. It'll do that for you, right? So let's go see what it does. Oops, where am I? I've got a car dealership that is struggling to get foot traffic, even though we're near a busy intersection. Can you help me change the game with marketing? All right, let's see. Let's see if marketing god gets a little less shitty. Absolutely. Emotion over specs. Leverage the emotional aspect of buying a car. People don't just buy a car, they buy an experience, a lifestyle. Craft a narrative around the joy of driving. Local hero. Position your dealership at a pillar of the community. Oh, as a pillar of your community. Share stories of your customer life's milestones. Tactical phase, guerrilla marketing. Use busy intersection to your advantage. Eye-catching illustrations or flash mobs, hyperlocal ads, social proof. Execution phase and immediate actions. Social engagement, local partnerships. Please visualize what social engagement look like on the street corner near the lot. Let's see if we can get it to give us like a sign or something like that. So now it's creating images. How are businesses embracing AI and buying subscriptions? I honestly don't know. I mean, the Microsoft and OpenAI both are focusing on due to a content policy restriction. Damn it. Okay, can you try again and don't write a prompt that violates your own content policy, period. How about that as a novel idea? So both Microsoft and OpenAI are going after, kind of 300 plus seat per month licenses. So think 10, 15 grand a month or higher. Both Microsoft and OpenAI said, we'll cover your legal bills if copyright issues come up, which says to me that that's what people are questioning. So looky there. Test Drive Tuesday. That's pretty cool. Oh, look, a little band, little stage out here with balloons, little traffic cones to cause traffic accidents. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's see. Give me a completely different strategy and a visualization of what that might look like. Virtual showroom. Create an online experience. VR 360-degree personalized offers. Interactive billboards. Tactical phase. Chatbots for instant engagement. There we go. We can make a little chatbot for a little car lot. Execution phase. Let's create a visualization. Tanqueray Kush, hope all is well. Fantastic. I don't like lazy, I like efficient. How are businesses embracing AI and buying subscriptions? Oh, that's fancy. Look, you got all sorts of crazy ass digital signage. That's a completely different feel. Kind of cool. I like it. All right, so there's our marketing guide. Let's see. Let's go in and look at this. The description. So I'm going to say, the description is boring and I want something catchy, period. Also, when someone starts their interaction with you, I want you to give them an immediate hook that catches their attention and then ask them a clarifying question before moving on to strategy and tactics, period. In fact, in between each section of your advice, ask for more input from them. Marketing God. All I'm getting for the last couple of hours, just FYI. So it looks like JRC's GPT is not working all that well. So Sam Altman admitted yesterday that, yeah, people are using this a little bit more than we thought they would. Gee, Scooby, what are we going to do? Let's test out how Marketing God interacts. Could you please use the GPT playground to the right to interact with Marketing God? After trying it out, let me know. Okay, so ignite your marketing mojo. So that's a much better tagline. I'm going to say, okay, that's great, but the icon now looks kind of boring. Can you tie it more to the description? We'll get a new image going. because we all know that an application's success is based on its icon. All right, I love how these live sessions became way more project-based than actual AI real-world projects. Oh, with actual AI real-world projects. Thanks, Christopher. Yeah, it's it's because of this tool. Oh, that one's cool. The Marketing God. It's Superman. All right, let's get sued by Marvel. All right, Marketing God. Wait, no, we can't do that. You made it look exactly like Superman. I'm gonna get sued by Marvel. This should be more like an ad man as a superhero, not a actual superhero. Ad man. So welcome everyone. If you're new here, if you're just stumbling in, we are playing with the GPT maker, the GPT maker that's part of ChatGPT now, that lets you create shareable, personalized, incredibly sophisticated GPT-4 applications without having to program a thing. You literally just ask it for shit and it does it. So to the left is the interaction pane, and it's also got a configure pane if you want to go in and manually change things up. Craft a marketing strategy for, create a campaign for, execute tactics for, right? So we could change all those up if we wanted to. You can upload files. So let's say that you've got a really specific marketing strategy outline that you want to follow. You could upload that document or documents into here and build this whole thing so it uses those things. You can turn on or off web browsing, DALL-E 3, image integration, and code interpreter. And then you can add actions. And actions are, thank you, Micro, I appreciate that. Actions are API hooks to other applications, right? So if you want to grab something from another site, or if you want to post something, from this thing to another site, you can do that. But if you just want to make a thing and not deal with all that configuration, you can literally just talk about it here. Oh, someone asked me before, if you want to turn off, wait, where did they, is it up here? No. So yesterday you could turn off, train OpenAI with your data. You could turn that off yesterday. That seems to be gone now. So I was going to show you how to do that, but it's not there anymore. Yeah. Oh, let me ask it here. Can you set up this GPT so that the data collected and shared here is not used by OpenAI for training data? Updating GPT. Behavior updated. I've updated the behavior to emphasize data privacy and confidentiality. Is there anything else? So I don't know if that actually did anything. So I have an API from a CRM. Can I use that in this? You should be able to, Jennifer L. I haven't done it, so I don't know exactly how it works. So APIs can have inputs and outputs. So depending on what you're wanting it to do, it should, if it's configured correctly and you've got your API key in there, it should just do its thing. It should be able to understand how to do all that. So let's see if this should be a little punchier now when we interact with it, and it should be a little more interactive. I'm starting a llama grooming service for motorcycle riding llama farmers. Period. I need some help figuring out how to market this incredible business. That's quite a unique niche you're targeting. Here's a step-by-step guide. Identify your target audience. Clearly, you're targeting a very specific group. Develop your branding. This is kind of ignoring what I asked it to do. These are good ideas. Local partnerships, attend events like motorcycle rallies. Like it is personalized for the llama grooming business. All right. This seems to have gone back to a more generic kind of prescriptive interaction rather than an interactive Q&A delivering clever solutions based on the answers, period. Please fix that. Does this mean I have it? Yes, be not afraid. That means you have it. Click on that plus button. Be not afraid. Go, 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 go. That does mean you have it. Who's that? Horn Bob. How do you not run out of token and keep going and talking to it? Well, so I don't quite know what you mean about like. So in Chat GPT, you're not paying for tokens. So I'm not over on the playground side. If you're just talking about how does it keep going and not lose its memory, well, GPT 4.5, which the new Chat GPT is GPT 4.5, it has a 128,000 token limit. So that's a lot of words. That's a lot of words. Let me do the math because I should know this, but what? I don't know. The worst case scenario is I'll just do a screen recording for 3 hours. So I'll just screen record out of TikTok. You can't right click save it. So if anyone knows how to pull a video file out of a TikTok feed that has disabled downloading other than through their stupid fucking link, let me know. Maybe Dunkaroo, you could help with that. But yeah, I will put that up. Don't worry, you can just claim it was an AI generated video. Yeah, that's true. Watch it and screen record it. Yeah, that's what I'll probably end up doing. Screen record while you watch it. It's just 3.5 hours. I don't. I guess I'll just go. Go for a walk. I'll take Champ for a long walk or something. We got to figure this out for you. We will. We'll get there. So if you go to my LinkedIn channel, I at least put up a 10 minute or like a 7 minute video of right after we built the Sin City one where I kind of lost my mind about these GPTs. That's up there. Tom Arnold, ADD Lab Telethon. That's really good, Digital Gods. Yeah, we can make all sorts of graphics and market it all over LinkedIn and Twitter. Oh man. All right, listen, I got to get going. The voice is heading south. So, Digital Gods, AI Dancer, Silver Fox, Steve-O, thank you very much. JPC Guy, good to see you. Source Camp, thank you. Sorry I couldn't figure out how to bring you up. You weren't in the list. So, next time, we'll figure it out. We can go watch a YouTube video. We'll figure out how to get you up on screen. Cat Daddy Decals, thank you so much. Cam Catkin from Cleveland. All right. Hair Growth Geek is here. Mr. Anderson, good to see you. Ricky Ticky Fabby. Nancy, thank you so much. Appreciate the kind words. Same for you, Firefly. Lauren, awesome. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for the roses. Really appreciate the gifts. That does make a difference. Subscribe to the channel. Follow me, follow me, follow me. Tell your friends, tell your neighbors. Hey, you should shoot. Here's your goal. Your goal should be thank you for the gifts, everybody. Over the next week, you should get, on average, one a day, face like this. Ugh. You're doing AI? Ugh. That means you're talking about it enough. You should average one a day. You're doing AI? Isn't that stupid? Isn't it? Aren't they stealing things? I heard it lies. It hallucinates. It's awful. The robots are going to kill us. Get one a day. If you get one a day, you're doing it right. All right? Go get curious. Go play. Go make bots. All right, everybody. Peace out. Does this require me to leave the house, Kyle? No, you can do it totally virtually. Just talk about AI on Zoom calls. You'll get a lot of this. Then they'll be muted, so you'll just see the faces. Then you've won. All right, everybody. Peace out.